Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 4th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up today, $7.04, 2.9%, closed at 249.44. Post market, we are down by 75 cents. And let's look at what we have on the chart. So yesterday we had a big drop down and we found support. We found support at 242.05. This is a perfect touch. So the low of the day is pretty much exactly at 242. And we tried to break the upper at 255.23, but we could not, and we came back down. So basically, this is a sideways day. We have a red candle. We have a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. So basically, the market is undecided on Tesla. If we go see the 1 hour chart, so we opened higher today with a little bit of a gap. Tried to break 255.23 on the second hour, could not. Third hour, we tried again, but no, it was not working. We did not have a stochastic over 60, so the chances are that this would work were a little bit on the low side. Then we came back down for 2 hours, retested, this is perfection here. We retested exactly the same point, retested it and tried again for the next 3 hours, but did not go as high. And so we'll see what's happening tomorrow. But basically, we are in a congestion zone on the 1 hour chart, congestion zone between 241.27 and 255.23. So any movement within the two lines is just noise. And we are going to start to pay attention really when we are going to break the downward resistance, which is here. Before that, it's just noise. And there is a possibility that we go lower than 241.27 also. Coming back on the daily chart, let's look at stochastic. Stochastic at 11.58, RSI extremely low. The two lines of MACD are below zero and the RSI is red. This move that we had today with Tesla is a 2.9% move, pretty much in line with what the indices are doing. But basically, this is us going sideways. If we look at the overall candle itself, in terms of the highs, we went a little bit higher. And in terms of the lows, we also went a little bit lower, but mainly because of the big wick at the top and at the bottom. This is undecided. We'll have to wait for a couple of days to see if we can get outside of this downward resistance. And if we do with a good stochastic, that would indicate that this downtrend here is over. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.